Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make mini corn dogs. This recipe makes 14. It's super easy, fast, and way better than store-bought ones. The ingredients are 7 wieners cut in half cup of cornmeal, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, half cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. First, mix all the dry ingredients together. So you got your flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk that first to get any lumps out. Mix the egg and milk together so it's easier when you add it to the dry mix. Now add the egg and milk mixture and the butter to the bowl, and whisk until it's all smooth. After that, it's a good time to set up your oil at 350 Fahrenheit. I have a small home deep fryer, but you can use a pot on your stovetop. Just be careful, please. You should pat your wieners dry first to ensure the batter sticks to it. You can use popsicle sticks or skewers, whatever you have on hand. Today I use cake pop sticks, which work really well. Pour the batter into a glass so it's easier to dip the wieners. Now dip them in, making sure it's fully coated, and pull them out slowly. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the corn dogs around to fry evenly. They puff up from the baking powder and comes out smooth and crispy. Once they are at a golden brown color, they are ready to be taken out. This is the color you're looking for. Nice and golden brown. Serve up with your favorite sauce and enjoy!